Hi guys, I welcome you all on this channel. So today I am back with another video and this time it's for trainee vacancies, GET vacancies in Molex Group, right? So Molex is a subsidiary of Koch Industries, KOCH, and this Koch Industries is a globally recognized provider of electronic solutions. They provide electronic solutions for automotive components also and other all industrial setups, right? So before proceeding with the video, I would request you all to subscribe to this channel. I provide job updates for freshers related to of freshers of core branches, right? So let's proceed with the video. So here they have written primary purpose of the role, right? So basically it's to coordinate the expedite process between customer services and the Molex manufacturing plant, maintain purchase orders and assist in the purchase order create process for samples and prepare logistics reports. Basically it's a role for supply chain only, so this particular logistics report preparation would be a primary role, right? So position name is import planning trainee, right? And what will you do in this role? They have further elaborated this. They have written to process all requests sent by customer services and actively follow up with the manufacturing plants to assure customer satisfaction, right? To monitor and control all aspects of purchase order backlog, that is overdue, rescheduling, unscheduling, substitution, replacement and returns. To assess the CSR in purchasing order creation for required orders, right? So you can read all these points, they have mentioned it clearly. So the main things which you need to note down in this particular description is this Six Sigma, right? So they have written understand, support and contribute to current Molex total quality management, TQM, international standards, ISOs basically, right? And all these things they have mentioned. So if you have done green belt in Six Sigma, then please mention it in your resume. That will surely enhance your chances of selection, right? Because they have clearly mentioned Six Sigma and total quality management. Six Sigma is all about quality enhancement. Perform other related duties as assigned by management. So other thing which you need to see is this knowledge in SAP and Microsoft Excel. Many of the engineers might be having this knowledge because Excel is evergreen. Everyone needs it and everyone knows it. So please mention it in resume. But and if you know VBA knowledge, so what is this VBA? It stands for Visual Basics, right? So if you know Visual Basics also, please highlight in the resume. Actually, the points which I have highlighted in these red circles, you need to put them in bold in your resume. Like, please put them in bold and underline them, right? Okay, now they have written some requirements of the candidates also, like what type of candidate they would be hiring. The ideal candidate will be self-assured and have an organized approach, as he or she will be expected to work independently in high pressure environment. So keep in mind that in your skill sets, like in resume we all have a column of skills, right? Miscellaneous skills. Please mention ability to work under high pressure, right? So these are the keywords which you need to catch. Okay. Next is good organization skills and ability to work across different functions and divisions, right? Then comes staying focused in learning about Molex products and supply chain. Willingness to work in shifts. So you will be having your night shifts also. They have clearly written this. So please be mentally prepared. Okay. So and you will be basically reporting to your uh, team lead or senior analyst, right? So now comes education. So they have mentioned the requirements: engineering degree in mechanical engineering or electrical engineering, right? So no other branches are eligible. Mechanical and electrical, right? Okay. So in addition to that, good PC skills, Microsoft Excel, Visual Basics knowledge are required. That I already told. Knowledge of SAP is also required. I'm again highlighting it. Please mention in your resume, and you can read out the important interview questions also. Or there are many videos on YouTube also. You can learn Visual Basics and SAP within 1 week, I guess. So it's not a big deal, right? And yes, last point. So basically, it's a MNC, so they need a foreign business language also. So if you know either French, Mandarin, what is this Mandarin, I don't know. Anyway, uh, this French, Chinese, and German, if you know any of these, you have even A1 or A2 level knowledge, please mention in your resume. And you can apply for this by clicking on this apply now option. Then you will be redirected to this page. So from here you can register and log in, right? So I haven't registered or logged in, so basically it's only the step you need to follow. Just register here and then log in, and directly you can fill up the form. And I will provide the link in the description, right? So you can just directly click on the link in the description and you will directly come to the job description page, right? So if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel, and I will provide you further such job updates in top MNCs, and which is exclusively for freshers, right? And I guess, yeah, and for mechanical engineers, basically mechanical freshers, to be very precise, right? So okay, and if you like this video, then hit the like button also. So thank you.